Okay, today we're going to build an extra step for my parents' camper. This flimsy thing, kind of junk, so we're going to build a little bit more substantial step so they don't have to step up quite so high. So let's get started. Alright, there we go. Another project down. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you learned a little something. If you liked the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And also, while you're here, check out some of my other videos. I've got woodworking, laser engraving, and some other various videos. So check them out and hit that little subscribe icon. And I'll see you next time.